So I've just installed Easy Sketch Pro onto my laptop, and I've double clicked on the shortcut icon to get this screen. In here you will put your email address that you log into Inner Circle Rich's membership site, and the authorization code is located in the Easy Sketch Pro download area, which you must have already seen to have got to this stage in the installation. Make sure you tick Keep Me In, so you don't need to keep putting these details in, and then all you need to do is click Login. Now, before I click Login, what I want you to do is, as soon as I click Login, look down the right hand side of the screen and also the left hand side of the screen. So I'm going to click Login now. Down the left hand side, you'll notice that it says Logs. And down the right hand side you'll notice that it says Tasks 1 with a little boy. Whenever you see this egg timer, it means that the software is doing something. Okay, so don't try and click and import images or anything. Now that egg timer has just disappeared, if we look over to the left, it says Loading Workspace is done. That means you are good to go and good to start importing images or music or whatever you want to do. It's very important that if you see an egg timer down here, okay, that you leave the software, give the software time to finish performing what it's trying to do. So when we just started it up, it was trying to load everything into its database, which is now done. So we're okay, good to go. But just watch now if I load some music. So I'm going to click on Music, go to the library, choose this song here, click Select, and then I'm going to click OK. Now again, if we look down the right hand side, you can see that it says Tasks 1. So this means it is doing something. Now over to the left hand side, it says Importing Sound File, Step 1 of 2 is done. Okay, so it's very important that you just leave the software, and it can take up to a minute sometimes depending on the power of your machine. It's important that you leave the software to finish the process of each step. And as you can see now, it says Tuning Audio File, Step 2 of 2 is done. Now more importantly, the egg timer on the right hand side at the bottom has now disappeared. So you are good to go. So if we preview this file now, if I click on play, you can hear the music has been loaded to the canvas. However, if you were to see the egg timer down the bottom right here, and then you try to click on play, you try to import an image, the software will not do anything, and you might think that, oh, it's not working, and send a support ticket in. Okay, so it's very important. The lesson in this video is that whenever you do something, if you see an egg timer down the right hand side, please let the egg timer finish before you do anything else. Okay, and it only takes up to a minute sometimes. So for example now, if I put an image in there and draw it, everything works perfectly well.